Hello sparklers, welcome back to our Tip Tuesday video, and today I'm going to show you how you can get double use out of our leather wraps that have the floating pendants in the center. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to go ahead and get your leather wrap. It works best with the larger floating pendants that have the solid bar across the back. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and walk the large pendant out of the bracelet. Simply slide it off, it comes off pretty easy, and then now you have the separate piece and the bracelet itself. That's step one. In step two, what we're going to do is go ahead and take your pendant. What you can do is you can add it to different color straps that you may have that have a different pendant on it. That way you can kind of customize it, but I'm gonna show you a cool thing that you can use with your shirt. So right now, really cool shirts are in style to kind of have a little bit longer, but sometimes they're a little bit too long. You wanna kind of gather it, make it a little bit more fitting. So go ahead and take your pendant, and we're gonna just pass it, your shirt through the pendant. You're gonna go up through the pendant and then pull down over that bar in the back and just give it a cute little tug, and now you have a sweet little shirt tie as well as a cute bracelet. So put on one of your bracelets, maybe with a particular color that matches your shirt, and then use the other one for a really cool shirt tie. So there's your tip for Tip Tuesday. Hopefully that was an amazing blessing to you. If you're interested in learning about more how you can be a $5 jewelry girl, shoot me a comment in the below, reach out to me through one of the links right above, and I'll be happy to show you how you too can sell $5 jewelry. So remember, the most important thing, girls, is that you are beautiful. Yes, Ladybug, you right there. You are beautiful no matter what you wear. God bless and have a great rest of your day.